Okay mga boss, so ito na yung request nyo no, na testingin natin yung mic ng ating D900. So ito mga boss yung mid-range ko. Yan, ito yung nakakonik sa left and right. Ito left, itong dalawa right no, tweeter at saka isang ito mid din to mga boss eh. Tapos ito lang mid na to mga boss yung gagamitin natin. Tapos yung sub, yung targa na yan dalawa. So yan nakaload yan dito sa ating D900. So okay, check natin mga boss ha. Nakakonect na yung mic ko. Punta doon. Yan yung singer natin doon. Sige, play. Pakinggan nyo mga boss ha.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I never had this feeling in my heart. How did this come to me? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart, I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to hold it all. And as far as I can see, you are always meant to be my destiny. Wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time. Oh, but forever was just a word, something I'd only heard of it. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe. Okay,
Alright, so yun mga boss no. So napakinggan nyo yung mic test ng ating D900. So kayo na lang yung musga mga boss kung maganda ba tong quality ng mic niya. Sa akin naman okay naman siya mga boss. Lalo na pag malalaking speaker yung gagamitin natin sa ating mid-high. Kasi meron akong full range mga boss na D10 at saka D15 na mga Neo speakers. Maganda din yun mga boss. Ito normal lang to na speaker mga boss pero goods naman yung kanyang mic. So yan yung settings ko mga boss oh. Yan. So yung echo nandyan lang siya no. Tapos mic volume konti lang. Tapos yung master volume natin naka 3 o'clock yan. Yung bass ko 11 saka 3 o'clock yung treble. Yung volume ng ating sub yan naka 1 o'clock yan. Tapos 1 o'clock din yung ating frequency. Okay mga boss, maraming salamat.